I'm gonna be honest with y'all. It has been a struggle doing this whole preschool stuff. For one, it's a fight trying to get Ella up in the morning to the point where I'm like, bro, it's cold outside. I can go back to my bed and cuddle up. I'm doing this for you. Then on top of it, then we fight over the outfit. I don't want this dress. I want to wear that. Like, oh my gosh. I'm already sleep deprived, man. Just wear what you want, okay? If you want to look like a Freddy with sparkles, go on. But this morning was actually really nice to wake up and see my hubby in his uniform. I don't know what it is, but this is my love language. She got off of work late and I just thought it was really sweet and kind to just make breakfast for us. Now, one thing I cannot get through my own thick skull is to prep lunch. Well, it's not lunch. Technically, it's their snack box to prep it at night. But y'all, I'd be tired. Like after giving them their baths, fighting for them to get to bed, I just want to go to sleep. So when I wake up in the morning, I'm all over the place trying to pack her lunch, make sure she has everything for school. But I'm managing. I'm grateful. Thanks for checking in. But yeah, this is definitely a new